Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Chris Odogun. Today I'll be talking to you about how to make your ex jealous on social media. So, do you want to make your ex feel like they're missing out on not being with you? You need to watch this video, okay? Because I'll be sharing some really good tips on how to make your ex bite their finger, wishing that they never let you go. All right? If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, this is a good time to do so. And don't forget to turn on the notification so you'd be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you're ready for the show, I am ready. So let's dive into it. The first tip on how to make your ex jealous on social media is to delete all their photos and videos on your page. So when you guys were dating, yeah, you enjoyed posting your ex on your page. You had like videos and photos of them and videos and photos of both of you together. Well, things are different now, okay? You're no longer together. So you need to take down all of those, okay? You need to make your ex understand that you have moved on. Okay, you can't afford to have them on your page. It doesn't look good at all. And before you do that, yeah, perhaps you blocked your ex when you guys broke up because you wanted to apply the no contact rule so you would be able to get over them as soon as possible. Before you do this, yeah, you need to unblock them. They have to see you. That's the whole idea. How are they supposed to feel jealous if they can't see you? You need to grant them access. Unblock them, okay? Let them see you because, hey, this is a brand new you, okay? When you take out all their photos and videos, your ex will begin to feel like you have really moved on, and that alone will make them feel bad because I want to believe that when you guys were together, you had some beautiful moments together. So not having that anymore must make them feel bad about the whole situation. The second tip on how to make your ex jealous on social media is to get fit. Oh yes, who doesn't want to be with a fit person? You see, you and your ex were together, yeah? They probably didn't see how sexy you were. They probably took you for granted. Now is the time for you to hit the gym and get that sexy body. Call it revenge body if you want. All I know is that when your ex sees you looking so hot, looking so good, they will regret. They will regret losing you. They will regret letting you go. Okay? You need to hit the gym if you haven't done that already. Make it a habit, make it a lifestyle. Besides, working out and looking good, looking fit is for your own good. It will make your life better, it will make you healthier, and it will just impact every other area of your life. I tell you what, when you begin to work out and you're seeing positive results, you need to take some very good pictures. Know the right angles to take, okay? Take some really lovely videos and post them on your page. Post them on social media, and guess who will see them? Your ex. And when they see you looking so good, looking so fit, looking so, oh my goodness, they will feel like, man, I am missing out. They would wish you guys were still together. They would wish that they had access to you. But hey, that is no longer possible, and all they will have will be regrets. The third tip on how to make your ex jealous on social media is to engage in fun activities and post them on your page. What are those exciting things that you would love to do? Those fun stuff. You need to do them now. It's even better that you're going to be doing them without your ex. You see, if you ever wanted to go on that vacation, now is the time to do it, okay? Take fun trips, okay? Do fun stuff, learn new things, go to new places. And as you're doing all of that, make sure that your camera is right with you. Take exciting pictures, take very good pictures, make really good videos, and post all of them on your page. I tell you what, when your ex sees them, hmm, they're going to feel like they are missing out. They would wish they were still with you to, share those beautiful moments together. They would wish they were with you to, create those memories together. But guess what? That is not possible, okay? They had their chance and they didn't make good use of it, okay? So, as you're having fun, seeing the world, doing great stuff, make sure you're posting all of them online because your ex would definitely be watching, okay? They would be looking and wishing and regretting that they were doing all of those things with you. The fourth tip on how to make your ex jealous on social media is to post content with one person consistently. The idea is to make your ex believe that you have moved on to a new partner. You are in a new relationship, okay? That stings so hard. Seeing someone that you once loved moving on with your life and being with someone else. It says you are replaceable. As a matter of fact, you have been replaced, okay? And your ex isn't going to feel good about that. They will be so jealous, like so jealous. They would wish that they never allowed you out of their sight, okay? You see, you don't even have to be dating this person. No, you don't. You guys could just be friends. So don't feel pressured to get into a new relationship just so you can create content and post online for your ex to see. No, you guys could just be friends, okay? But as you guys are having fun together, playing, doing great stuff, make sure you take pictures, make sure you make videos and post them online. Your ex will think that you are dating that person. Even if it's not true, who cares? They can think whatever they like, okay? That's what you actually want your ex to think. So if they're thinking it, you are doing the right thing, all right? As I said earlier, no pressure to get into a new relationship. You could just be having a good time with a friend, but make sure you're posting them online to give your ex the impression that you have replaced them just like that. The fifth tip on how to make your ex jealous on social media is to like and comment on your mutual friends' content. Okay, so when you and your ex were together, you guys probably had mutual friends. Yes, you're no longer dating your ex, but that doesn't mean that you have to cut all your mutual friends off, especially if they did you no wrong. You don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to be best of friends with them either. But on social media, you should try to engage with their posts, okay? When they post something, like it when you can, comment on it when you can. You see, when your ex sees you engaging with your mutual friends, engaging with their posts online, your ex is going to feel ignored. He or she will be like, how can you be interacting with these people and not interacting with me? Hello? You and I were an item. This guy knew us as an item. How come you're liking your post? You're acting like you're not seeing mine. Okay? That is the whole idea, all right? Make sure you like, you comment. Just be friendly with your mutual friends. That will make your ex feel so jealous. They'll feel like you're not even seeing them. They'll feel like they are so inconsequential. Like, I tell you what, they will wish they never let you go. They will feel so jealous and just wish they were still in your life. Making your ex feel jealous on social media can be so much fun, especially if they were the one that broke up with you, if they called off the relationship. They're going to see you looking so good, having a better life, and wishing they were still with you. So remember, you need to delete all photos and videos of your ex from your page. Just take them off, okay? You guys are no longer together. You need to give your ex the impression that you have moved on, which is exactly what you are trying to do, okay? You also need to get fit, hit the gym, go on a diet, do what you need to do to look fit, okay? Your ex is going to feel like they are missing out because you'll be so hot, you'll be so sexy, they would wish they were still with you. Engage in fun activities, do all the exciting things that you would love to do, and make sure you post them online for your ex to see. Don't forget to post pictures and videos with one person consistently. You want to give your ex the impression that you have gotten into a new relationship. You want to make them believe that you have replaced them. As I said, you don't have to be dating that person. You guys could just be friends, okay? But your ex wouldn't know that. Yeah, they wouldn't. You are making them believe that you have gotten into a new relationship. And lastly, ensure that you engage with your mutual friends' content on social media. Like their posts when you can, comment when you can, just be friendly with them. Doing that will make your ex feel ignored. It will make your ex feel like you don't even see them, okay? And they will feel so jealous because once upon a time, you guys were an item. I made a video titled Why Hooking Up with Your Ex is a Bad Idea. Just in case you're considering hooking up with your ex, I tell you what, it's a bad idea. Watch the video here to know why. My name is Chris Odogu, and you know what? I had so much fun talking about this topic. Feel free to look around my channel. I assure you that you'll find lots of interesting videos just like this one. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in the next one.